Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about inequality. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have 1 over 8 plus 2 over b plus 3 over c plus 4 over d. So in this one, we can put 2 over b into 1 over b plus 1 over b. This one we can put into 1 over c plus 1 over c plus 1 over c, and so on for this one. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about a square over b plus c square over d plus e square over f. And this one we have a plus c plus e to the power of 2 over b plus d plus f. Now we can apply the formula for this one, and we have like this. So because number 1 that is about 1 to the power of 2, so in this one 1 to the power of 2 with number 1 they are the same. Now this one we simplify and we have like this. So we simplify this one and this one. So we know that the value of this one that is about 24. So I will put this one go to the left, number 24 go to the right. And now we can find the minimum value of this one. This one we simplify and we have 25 over 6. So the mean of this one that is about 25 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.